glasses, then please don't do it, because I have something crazy running in my mind, and here it is. Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So if you are new here, I am Meera Kanaria and I love to play around with fashion and outfits. So if you are new here, do consider subscribing to this channel and let's talk about the video. Today's video is going to be super crazy because I am going to customize my jacket using this beauties. Yes, let me show you the inspo behind this fashion DIY because I feel like it's crazy thinking behind the inspiration and you would be like, how? Ta-da! So here it is. I got literally inspiration from this crazy thing. So basically after seeing this, I went directly onto the Pinterest and I got few more inspo over there, and they are this and this. Okay, so now without further wasting time, let's get into the video. Okay, so if I talk about the materials you need is mirror. Yes, you need this very thin mirror. Just look at this. This much thin mirror you need because I feel like you cannot go with the heavy mirror because it can weigh down your jacket. So make sure you go with very thin mirror. If you have this type of mirror at home, then even this can work as well. The next thing which you need are the gloves. This can be very crazy rubber gloves because I don't want you to get hurt with mirror. This is must. Another thing which is very important is hammer. If you don't have hammer at home, then you can take any big stone and you can just crack the mirror using that, but this can even work if you have. And few other things which are in need are tarpaulin, which looks like this. If you don't have tarpaulin at home, then you can use any cloth bag or any rough cloth which is very big, and you just have to wrap it around your mirror to break it off. And the most important thing for no sew DIY, that is fabric glue. That's it. That's all you need for this DIY, and let's start the video. Firstly, I'm just going to clean my mirrors and then placing it on tarpaulin. Wrapping the tarpaulin over the mirrors and then with little force breaking each mirror through hammer. No, not so much force as it might give you small pieces or literally just a powder of the mirror. Gloves is must. Therefore, wearing my gloves and starting to collect the big pieces of the mirror and keeping it aside. Just checking if there's no crack on the border of the mirror, then it's all good to go. Separating them from the other small or rejected mirrors, and then again cleaning my mirror pieces using a rough cloth. Next, taking the denim jacket and just finding the right place where I can just put my mirror and do a full patch. After it's done, taking the fabric glue and applying each mirror pieces and sticking it very firmly on jacket. Yes, it would consume a lot of fabric glue, but I feel that fabric glue is must. At last, it would look like this. Yes, glue has just made my mirrors look so dirty, but we'll tackle it at the end of this video. Right now, throwing away the leftover mirror pieces. Oh wait, before that, I'm going to place rough cloth on the jacket and above which heavy object. We'll leave it for next 48 hours.
A few moments later.
Okay, so here's the outcome. Mirror is still so dirty, but do not clean your mirror just like I'm doing it over here. Please do wear your gloves. I can clean it very easily by spraying the sanitizer on my jacket. Of course, you need to take care how to fold this type of jackets. So for this, you have to just flip your jacket like this. Let your designs be inside and then just do like this. Not try to fold this part where the designs are. So just fold the part which you can. Something like this. Okay, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to never miss a video from me. Thank you so much for watching this video. We'll see you guys in the next video. Till then.